In this video, we're going to take a look at Facebook and how you can use it to increase your business revenue, or maybe you want to drive more traffic to your website. There's just so many different ways you can use Facebook, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can do this. Now, in this particular video, we're just going to take an overlook at Facebook and the different things that it has to offer. First being, as you can see here on the screen, I have my Facebook page pulled up for iPhoneCaptain.com. Now, this is considered a business page, whereas if we go over to my personal page, which is just referred to as Mitch Stevens, this is just my personal page where I can have friends, and actually I can have up to 5,000 friends. They do limit that, whereas on the business side, you can have as many likes as you can get, and that's the whole idea. The more people that like your page, the bigger the community, if you want to refer to it like that. That's how I look at it. The more likes you have on your business page, the more people that are involved in your community, and that way when you post a new status or something on your page, then there's a whole lot more people seeing that, versus if you're going to try to use your personal page. And I would definitely keep the two separate, because there's going to come a time, if you don't, where your business and your personal page you're not going to want them overlapping anymore, because you're not going to have as much control. I don't really know how to explain it the best, but if you have a business page, then you can simply discuss things related to that topic. Whereas if it's on your personal page, maybe you only want to send something to your family, and that's very, very doable using your personal page. Whereas if you're on your business page and you post something here, then, it's going to go out to however many people have liked your page. And that can be a very broad audience. And as you can see here, I have some different posts that I have put up here relating to my Udemy courses, where I've been trying to advertise those and get people to purchase those. I've offered different deals on my iPhone Captain page, and I have come to the sense to find out that people that liked my iPhone Captain page liked it for the iOS content, and I knew that, but I thought that I could maybe weasel this in on them and it would not be that big a deal. But I've had some lashback from some different viewers or readers, however you want to refer to them, other Facebook members on my page that really don't like having that content on there. So I have gone ahead and opened a new page called Blogging Professor, and this is where I'm going to share all of my SEO, social media, all that type of information related to learning how to use the web for an income will be on Blogging Professor rather than iPhone Captain. Now, I'll probably run some ads on iPhone Captain from time to time, but it won't be my go-to page on Facebook for advertising my courses on Udemy and discussing the different things, because I also have a new website called bloggingprofessor.com, as you might figure out because of the Facebook page name, where I'm going to be making posts relating to earning online income now. So if that's something you think you might want to get involved in, go ahead and check that stuff out. And let's go ahead and jump over and let me show you how you can create ads that can be diverted to a specific audience using your Facebook account.